Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. It's your buddy Alex from Watchwire News, and today we're talking about a game changer in the fitness tracker space, the Fitbit Inspire 3. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't the Apple Watch still the go-to smartwatch? Well, hold on to your seat because we've got some surprising news that's going to make you rethink your fitness tracking strategy. According to real-life users, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is giving the Apple Watch a serious run for its money. And it's not just about looks. These users are raving about the device's features, durability, and value for money. From stress management to workout intensity tracking, the Fitbit Inspire 3 has got you covered. One user, Namisha, says she was blown away by how slim and sleek the device is compared to her old Apple Watch. It's like having a phone on your wrist, which I personally didn't care for, she says. But the Fitbit Inspire 3 is a whole different story. And it's not just about size. The device also offers features like text call notifications, heart rate notifications, and O2 tracking, all without the bulk. Another user, Vivi, loves how seamless the device integrates with her Fitbit app. The battery life has been impressive, she says, lasting several days on a single charge, even with continuous heart rate monitoring. And with both small and large bands in the box, you can find the perfect fit for your wrist size. But what really sets the Fitbit Inspire 3 apart is its affordability. With discounts often reaching 20% off, this device is an investment in your well-being that won't break the bank. As Green Culture puts it, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is a well-rounded fitness tracker that offers a range of features catering to various health and fitness needs. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their fitness tracking game without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is giving the Apple Watch a serious run for its money. With its slim design, feature-packed performance, and unbeatable value, this device is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new fitness tracker. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.